Okay, group, we're on page 25, and we're going to do numbers 18 and 19 for your unit review here. Yep, 18 and 19. So here on number 18, we are working with a frequency table. And it says, here at the top, it says, for any frequency table question that requires a division of two numbers, we have to make sure that we show our setup. I'm going to make sure we do that. Okay. So it says complete the two-way frequency table. So what I like to do is I like to start on the outskirts of our frequency table. So here, if we're working with totals, then we know that if we have a total number of people at 80, and we have the females, we can easily find the males. So we'll do 80 minus 47, and that gets us 33. So that means we have a total of 33 males. And then down here, we know that we have 80, and we can subtract 33 and 21 from that to find our remainder here, which is 26. So now that we have those totals, we can start going the other direction. So here I know that my total female and males for biology is 26, so I can take 26 minus 18, and that gives me the number of males for biology, which is 8. Okay, for chemistry, we don't really have any other numbers yet, so let's just hold off on that. Here for physics, I can go ahead and do 33 minus 19. Oops. I can do 33 minus 19, and that will give me 14 for my number of females for physics. Okay, and then here, I can kind of go across, so I can do 47 minus 14 minus 18, and that'll tell me the rest of the females here for chemistry, and then same thing across for the males. Okay, so now we have our frequency table filled in. Okay, part B, it says what percentage of all students study physics? So if we're talking about all students, that's our total of 80. So we're going to divide by 80. The total physics is 33. So we do 33 divided by 80 to get our percentage. This would be, if I move the decimal, 41.25%. Okay, part C, it says what percentage of students polled were males? Well, again, okay, all students is 80, and the number of males was 33. And we just did 33 divided by 80 for our last one, which is 41.25%. Okay, and then here it says what percentage of students who study chemistry? Okay, so that's going to be a total for chemistry, which is 21. We have 21 people that study chemistry. It says of those are female. Well, 15 of the 21 are female. So we're going to do 15 divided by 21, which is 0.714, we'll say 3. So we'd round that, it would be 71.43%. Put my calculator on this side, make it easier for all of us here. Okay, part E, it says what is the number of students polled who take biology? Okay, so when we're talking about the number of students that are polled who take biology, this isn't talking about a percentage. This is just asking to look at the table and look for the number of students who take biology. So our total biology students is 26. Okay, and then letter F says what percentage of male students take physics? So our physics is going to be our total, because there's a total of 33 people that take physics, and of those, the smaller part of those is male. So we always put the bigger number underneath. That's how we know that we have our fraction set up properly. So this would be 57, we'll say 57.6%. All right, let's move on to number 9. I'm sorry, 19. All right. All right, it says the juniors and seniors at Hayes are required, are required to enroll in one fine arts elective each year. The students' selections are displayed in the relative frequency table below. So remember, this has percentages in it. The juniors and seniors at Hayes are required to enroll in one fine arts elective each year. So in A, it says, what is the most popular elective among juniors? Okay, so when we look at the juniors, okay, we want to look at what's the biggest percentage, right? Our biggest percentage is right here at band at 27%. Okay, part B says, what percentage of students take choir? So if you look at the number or the percentage of students that take choir, that's a total of 29%. Okay, now part C is not as easy. It says, what percentage of seniors take band? So we want to look at our total number of seniors, which is 0.42. Okay, and of those, 0.04 take band. So we're going to do 0.04 divided by 0.42, and that gives us 0.0952. That is 9.52%. Okay, part D, what percentage of students polled are seniors? Okay, so if we look at the number of students polled, that's our 100. So we just want to look at what's the percentage of seniors, and that would be 42%. Part E says, what percentage of students who take art? So that's going to be our total. So the total of students who take art is the 0.14, and so that's going to be our denominator. And of those, how many are juniors? 0.02. So we're going to do 0.02 divided by 0.14, which is 0.14, we'll say 29. So if I write that as a percentage, 14.29%. Okay, letter F. What percentage of juniors take art? So juniors is our total. So our juniors total is 0.58. And of those, take art is 0.02. So do 0.02 divided by 0.58. And that is 0.0345. So that is 3.45%.